1. In Memory Python console app is ready. In this app, we have implemented 5 main options. Add task. Add new tasks to your to-do list. View task. See all your existing tasks. Update task. Edit the details of a task. Mark as complete, incomplete. Toggle task status between done and pending. Delete task. Remove tasks from your list. All operations are fully functional within the console app, so you can manage your to-do list completely from here.